One of the best decisions and announcements I've ever heard in my life was being able to say that I got into City College through the Macaulay Honors program. And once that was announced to me, it was it. I knew I was going to come here and I knew I was going to be able to excel. My name is Zara McPartland. I am a biology major here at City College. I was born here in New York City, so were my 3 younger siblings. My mom's from Wisconsin and my father immigrated from Dublin, Ireland. I've always been into science. It's been something that I've been sort of drawn to since I was a young kid. Like when I was coming home from track practice and I was in middle school, while I was waiting for dinner, I'd sort of watch these old documentaries on like random medical cases online, or I would be watching like the weird, like abnormal 2-headed snake videos, and I'd be really interested in just how that sort of worked and how that would come to be, and really wanted to investigate for myself. It wasn't really until school started back up in person that I got to really enjoy the environment and the community of the students. Like I would walk through the halls and I'd know someone from my class, and it wasn't just a blank box on the screen. So really that return to in-person learning here at City College made me really recognize and understand the value of community and what a college education can bring. There's been a lot of moments where I've really felt more and more connected to different aspects of City College. So that really began with being on the track team here at City College. I made some of my first friends. I learned how to really balance going after my future and making time to slow down and really take care of myself and, reconnect with those around me. But I also think academically where I really felt at home was after joining the CCNY MSK partnership. And when we were able to present our research nationally at ABRACAMS, I was lucky enough to go twice. And really the experience of being on a plane, going to a hotel together and seeing ourselves in places we had never previously imagined really made it sink in that I was growing as a student, and I was really growing into the path I really want to choose for myself. One memory that really impacted my college experience was sitting in Professor Salome's office, and I hadn't been able to eat that day because just stress and money. And he walked up to me and he put a yogurt in front of me, and he was like, "You're doing a good job. Like you look like you can beat this. Like take it easy, take a break." And I had never had a professor look at me or talk to me like that. To have him come up to me and show that sort of response and just sort of empathy really made it hit home. And I took that class very seriously. And it set me on a course for chem minor, and I absolutely love chemistry. I have this love for organic chemistry that's ongoing. I'm taking environmental organic chemistry this semester, and it's something I think that really changed my college experience. I was just in such a way that I needed something like that, and I got it. Professors and students know where they're coming from. Like they understand the background, and the students know each other. So that sort of empathy it goes around. I think when you most need it, it's there. This summer, I'll be working again as the teaching fellow for the SCORE program. It'll be my 3rd year with the program. I'm really, really excited to be back. I love the atmosphere. The students that come in are absolutely phenomenal. They really just strive to learn every single day. And I think because a lot of them are City College students, they do return here for campus in the fall, and I get to see them all over again. There really is that back and forth connection between City College and MSK that emphasizes learning and education and growth, and really just empathy and communication between those who have the information who can then disseminate it to others who don't.